Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here 4 different dicarboxylic acids are given. The first one is adipic acid, second one is succinic acid, third one is malonic acid, S is oxalic acid. You have to arrange those acids by pKa. pKa 1 actually. The first acidity. Here you should know the fact that strong acid always have low pKa. Here you are removing first H plus, so pKa 1. Let us analyze the situation. You have 4 anions will be formed if you remove the H minus, but the stability of the minus charge anion decides the acidity. If you look at the P, the COH group is electron withdrawing group, which increases the stability of anion. Consequently, it increases the acidity. So if you look at the P, COH and negative charge are a little bit away, and Q also same. R is coming nearby, S is very close to each other. So S is the strong acid, then comes R, then comes Q, then P. But the question is about pKa. pKa is inversely proportional to acidity. So higher the acidity, lower the pKa. So S is the strong acid, P is the weak acid. So pKa will be reversed. P has high pKa, S has low pKa. Here the concept you have to learn here is electron withdrawing group increases the acidity, and the effect of electron withdrawing group increases when it is nearby. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.